Have you ever seen a singer shatter a wine glass just by using their voice? It seems like magic, but it's actually science. Let's uncover how sound waves, invisible vibrations in the air, can break something as solid as glass. Sound travels in waves, vibrations that move through air, water, and even solid objects. When you speak, your vocal cords vibrate, sending out waves at certain frequencies. But here's the twist. Every object, including a wine glass, has its own natural frequency at which it likes to vibrate. Tap a wine glass gently, you'll hear a ting. That sound is the glass's resonant frequency. Now imagine if you could match that frequency perfectly with your voice, and amplify it enough. That's exactly what trained singers can do. When the frequency of the voice matches the glass's natural frequency, and the sound is loud enough, the glass begins to vibrate. Vibrate enough and, well, the glass can't handle the stress. It shatters, not because of magic but due to a powerful phenomenon called resonance. As the resonance builds, microscopic cracks in the glass expand rapidly, and in a split second, boom! The glass breaks apart. It's not easy. You need just the right pitch, the perfect resonance, and high volume. Most people can't do it with their voice alone, but speakers and special equipment, they can. So yeah, sound waves can break a glass. Not because sound is solid, but because of the raw power of vibration, resonance, and frequency. If you loved unlocking the mysteries of our world, don't just stop here. Subscribe to Eduspark, where every question sparks a new discovery. Your curiosity deserves it.